morning, people. Mr. Sam here for 1.5, and I'm having an absolute ball this Thursday morning because I've been given the privilege of introducing all of our cool and fun activities for week 2, which is our Southeast Michigan. And of course, I just got done checking out all these cool activities, and I can't wait to give you just a little taste of each one before you go and check out the link that will be below this posting, which will all be included on a document. But of course, you'll be able to listen to a lovely story by Ms. Ash, okay, about Detroit herstory. And yes, you heard me right. I said herstory. We'll learn a little bit about what being a Rosie was back in that particular time frame. I got to hang out with Mr. Eric and his daughter this morning. He has an awesome activity where he's checking out a local business up in Parma, the Humble Nursery. Okay, and of course I'll rewind that a little bit. I said Mr. Eric and his daughter. Yes, his daughter, absolutely adorable. Mr. Eric is, his daughter's adorable though, okay? And then of course we got Mr. Terrence. Enough said, of course he has his kiddos helping him out with that, but I could not focus on anything except for those Detroit-style Coney dogs. I love my Coney dogs, and of course he shows you how to make your own. That's unbelievable. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that when I'm done with this introduction video. Which leads me to another fabulous how-to video by Miss Connie. The absolute sweetest video I have seen in quite a while. She's going to be talking about honeybees, how honey is produced, and of course how to make a snack out of honey. As you can see, I'm awfully hungry after watching some of those. Then of course, I've already been to Detroit Zoo. I just did a scavenger hunt by Ms. Angie. She's got that set up on there as well. Okay? So we have Ms. Ash, we have Mr. Eric, Ms. Angie, Mr. Terrence, and then of course there's myself. Well, of course I kind of go on one of those little adventures again. You'll have to watch my video to figure out what hidden gem I go to in Southeast Michigan. I'll give you a hint. It's a historic site. Okay? But quit listening to me and on this whole thing. I want you to go ahead and check out those activities for yourself. Believe me, the transition group has been killing it this week, and believe me, these videos are unbelievable. Okay? So check them out and have a wonderful day.